I don't mean much to myself, but I must mean something to her.
Look at you.
Who's gonna get it right now? I wanna push all the limits with you right now.
Four. Yeah. Touchdown.
So what's your feelings? The city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now.
The feelings I have will never be enough for her. She's the voice I love to hear, supporting me through life's ups and downs.
Tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappeared. They will let you down. So we better stick together. Let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together. 'Cause we got love. 'Cause we got love. You wanna get to me close? Why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us together. 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 'Cause we got love.
My life is forever about to change. I want you to know that I love and treasure every part of who you are. I am your companion, even when the journey gets tough.
Together, I need only you in this crazy world. We got love.
Oh, you can't stop now.
You gotta redo it.
Waterfall? Little Missouri Falls? You been there?
No.
You want to go? Okay.
Look at those teethers. So furious.
Well, Miley, I guess you gotta get out.
You hurt the man. He's too fat.
Just kidding, we won't leave her behind. No standing on the bridge.
I'm a rebel.
What do you think of the waterfall? Huh? What?
I need up there.
You sold me out, I did not notice. It's been going on for a while. Ooh. When grace is gone, I can see all things so clear.
Yeah?
It was all pretend.
There you go.
I can find a higher line
Hit it.
over the clouds above. I can find a higher ground. I just have to reach past the summit line.
So Savannah thinks that this young couple is going to get engaged at this waterfall.
He keeps making it look like he's going.
They were kissing on the trail, and now my camera don't zoom in far enough.
Yay! Good, because Mom didn't want to put it
Years have passed, and I did not notice. Still I think about our past. You are gone. I can see all things so clear. It was all pretend. You look back and I look back. We don't see the same thing. It's time that we just let it die. Oh, I can find a higher line over the clouds above. I can find a higher ground. I just have to reach past the summit line. I can find a higher line.
I love her, and that's the beginning and end to everything.
And I can find a higher ground. I just have to reach past the summit line. To reach higher line.
So, Jacob has a couple of guys fangirling over his truck. They actually were talking about him on the radio while we were eating lunch at Wendy's, and we stopped at Atwood's, and they happened to be in the Atwood's parking lot. So now they're fangirling over Jacob's truck.
Were you filming that?